Chicken, the master of the cluckers. When I knock on your door, you know it's a customer. Scary as hell, I be hella uncomfortable. I can't comfort you, cause I'm trying to run from you. Always urgent, spooks you could probably call. Dodging is my hobby, y'all. I have several bodyguards. I throw stones breaking through glass houses. Dead broke, never put my money where my mouth is.
Captain Chicken, thanks a lot. You're my daily, you're my car. Captain Chicken, oh my god, you look gaudy, you the Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, are you dead? Wrapped in plastic, got no head. On the shelf, I look at you. You look tasty, I want you. Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken, Captain Chicken.
I come out in a major way, singing to the cops every day. I'm like Babyface. Obviously I'm kinfolk with Dabalina. I say a lot of things, but I'm a chicken, I don't mean it. I'ma see you, I'm a duck, cause I'm afraid of you. In other words, a sitting duck, I'm perpetrating too. Captain Chicken,